Europe, the new destination for Indian students. Hey there, Indian students. Guess what? Europe is the hottest spot for you to chase your dreams of a top-notch education without breaking the bank. Picture this, Europe isn't just about the usual suspects anymore. It's a treasure trove of exciting destinations that promise not just stellar education but also a cultural extravaganza, killer industry connections, and pathways to success. Check out Germany, the STEM powerhouse that's wooing over 43,000 Indian students, a whopping 100% increase in the last 5 years. Thanks to its academic prowess and the DOD's unwavering support in India, Germany is the place to be. France is making waves too, aiming to lure in 30,000 Indian students by 2030. Thanks to programs like Erasmus and President Emmanuel Macron's brainchild initiatives, France is carving its name as an education epicenter. And Italy? Oh, it's a magnet for Indian students in the artsy fields like design, architecture, and arts. With 10,000 Indian students already soaking up the Italian charm and applications soaring by 10% annually, Italy's the cool kid on the block. With tailored programs and solid support, more European countries are rolling out the red carpet for Indian students, making Europe the ultimate destination for global education. Hey, Indian students! Europe isn't just a place to study. It's your ticket to a vibrant, diverse world and the launchpad for your global career. Europe, where your journey to success begins. Ready to kickstart your adventure? Minet Overseas has got your back every step of the way. Reach out to Minet Overseas to unlock your study options in Europe and embark on a journey towards a stellar education and a thriving career.